Hi Colin, so this is an update to my previous video which I recorded when I completed the April Mastermind. Let's see what the stats are. So last 2 weeks I have done, I need to wear my glasses, I'm sorry. So last 2 weeks I have done about $2,649 in profit, and just check out my ROI. It's about 277% here and 205% here. I'm sorry I can't reveal the campaigns because I'll be still running the campaigns, but this is it. And this is my dashboard of the network I'm a part of. And so I joined this network 2 weeks ago. I got a payout of about 3,584 euros, and this is the profit margin and the ROI. When I completed the mastermind, I had done $300 in profit, but again I had to afford the Bynum software and the hosting service, and in India we have a 18% GST, so I almost broke even in April. But in the month of May, I thought I'll make a lot of profit. But again, there were problems with cash flow. My bank declined all the payments. They said that I had to form a company and my savings bank account could not take all that revenue coming from my network. So there were a lot of problems, and I would like to thank Greg, Yves, Douglas, Esteban, and Jonis. These are the students of the mastermind that I interact with on a daily basis. So a few takeaways. This did not happen overnight. I know I made about $2,000 in the last week, and the only thing keeping me limited to $2,000 is my cash flow. I'm really struggling with my cash flow right now, but as soon as it gets fixed, as you can see, my ROIs were about 200 to 210. So I'm not limited by my profits, I'm just limited by my cash flow and my bank, because my bank doesn't want all that money to come into a savings account. I'm in the process of building a company, and hopefully it gets sorted soon. But the key takeaways is it did not happen overnight. I remember I was going to quit last month because there were so many problems and my revenue was almost zero last month. And I remember I had a talk with Greg and Jonis about all this, that I want to quit, I can't continue CPA anymore. So you'll have to put in the efforts. I worked almost 6 to 7 hours when I started, and you'll have to launch at least 10 campaigns a day when you're starting out. Second thing is, don't come into the mastermind expecting a profit. In the April mastermind, I broke even. The next month I was in loss. I was almost about to quit. And this month, luckily, I've sorted most of the problems and I'm in a profit right now. So don't come into the mastermind expecting a profit straight away. And the third thing would be to follow your mentor, because I like Colin's attitude of no bullshit. Like, if you are being lazy, Colin will just tell you to put in more efforts. No feelings attached. Colin just wants you to succeed. So follow your mentor. Everything he has told me so far has been true. He told me about cash flow issues, they will happen. I didn't believe him at that time, but now I know that cash flow is a real problem. Second thing is the mindset. I thought numbers were everything, and once you are in profit, you will be in profit and everything will run smoothly. But last month I realized that mindset is a very important thing. If you don't have a problem solving mindset, I don't think you'll do really well in CPA. And the fourth thing obviously will be hard work, because I suck at creating ads. I still do, and the only thing that you can do to overcome that is to put in more time than the other affiliates. So if the other affiliates were putting in 6 hours, I was putting 8, and that's how you succeed. So at the end, thanks Colin, and I hope I do even better in the September mastermind. And thanks for teaching me, thanks for giving me the exposure, thanks for giving me the knowledge, and thanks for giving me the knowledge to make this happen. And overall, the type of people I've met through the mastermind, it's just enlightening and just opens your mind to new possibilities that people are making so much money online. So thanks Colin for everything, and I'm looking forward to the September mastermind.